So we're on our way. After a year of planning this epic road trip all the way from China to Holland, just dawned on us that we're going to be spending the next 3 months next to each other in this little cabin here. So this is our new house. We've got food in the back. It's cramped, but it feels good. And the first stop is Wuhan. There we're going to meet some local friends of Maren who used to live there a couple years ago. And we're going to have dinner with them.
Good morning. Today we're eating Likemind, which is hot, dry noodle. It looks like peanut sauce, basically peanut butter noodle. Let's see if it's nice.
好吃吗？
非常好吃。
多分一下子，冇分开，面冇分开。
Today we're making our way to the Three Gorges then in Yangtze, and then later through the Three Gorges, the beautiful caves going down the Yangtze River. 3个人，
三位，
我们现在在三峡大坝。
上下。
哎，对对对对，哎，直接的 OK。
Okay. We got a man next to us in the car. He is a local tour guide who convinced us that he is required to be together with us in the car, otherwise he's not allowed to drive to the dam, the Three Gorges Dam.
对，一直走。
Which we are starting to doubt more and more, the more closer and sweaty we get with the man. There he is! The Three Gorges Dam.
Gorgeous.
Gorgeous. The Three Gorges
It's
women.
not gorgeous, gorge. It's a
Gorge. Gorgeous.
Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Gewoon kloof.
This is nice.
Come on, sorry. Tonight we're in Dadong, in the middle of the Three Gorges. We're surrounded by like high mountains. It's really amazing. We're having local fish.
打开很香的啊。
哇，非常好吃，非常好吃。
谢谢。
哦，大家好！你们今天来的这个地方是我们中国最长的长江，大家可以看一看，长吧。然后另外呢，咱们可以看到我们这长江现在到的也是我们的巫峡口，这个呢，也就是说是带点神话的。这是我们眼看就像一条龙，因为中国龙也就是我们中国是比较吉祥的，也是像以前皇帝就是啊，对吧？所以说，咱们有时间，大家带着你的更多的朋友到我们长江上来玩，因为还有很多好玩的，很多精彩的。因为不来长江，那就白来中国了。所以欢迎大家再来玩。
你好。
你好。
巫山怎么走？
巫山。
啊。
巫山，你走错店了。
错了吗？
错了。
哎呀，哎，美女。美女。Hello。
2075元。
好，谢谢啊。
You are cool, I love you.
啊。We just arrived in Chongqing, one of the most massive cities in China. It's 40 degrees here. Sweat is literally dripping off my face. I'm not sure you can see it. Behind me, you see the new opera hall and basically the skyline of Chongqing. We're about to have dinner in the most spicy restaurant of Chongqing, which is known for being the most spicy place to have hot pot. We just had a first bite of about this amount of mushroom, and it's super spicy.
It's not only spicy, your lips become numb.
The left side of my mouth is completely numb.
I think eventually you get used to it. It's gonna go past the point of numb, so it's not actually gonna feel like anything anymore.
非常辣。
嘴巴在哪里？
啊，
嘴巴在哪里？
啊，就是。
找不到嘴巴了。
都很痛，都很痛。Best thing when your lips are on fire. Watermelon.